What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. How in today's video you are going to see how to disable location on Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. So once you're there, লাগাই যাও আমি যেটা কেটে দিয়ে যাবার ভুল কাপ আসো So in here, head over to the three lines icon and go to the other gear icon. And in here, if you search for location, so as you can see, there is no option to just turn off your location from here. So what we need to do is just to turn off our phone's location. It will be in here. You can find it in here. You just have to turn it off, or you can also just turn off the permission for Facebook to get your location. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.